Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix failed to enumerate objects in the container access is denied error in Windows. Right-click folder, click Properties. Find your username. Check full control. Select your username. Check Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Check Replace all child object permission entries with inheritable permission entries from this object. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.